Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Okay, big day today for the big dummy who's behind the big camera.
I'll spell it for you. D-U-M-M-Y, period.
And what it is we have been working on this K5 and we had two previous videos. One where we stripped it down, took all the lights, the grill, the bumpers, moldings, anything we could get off of it because it was going to the body shop. And then we did a body shop hell video because this is the big dummy's first venture into a non-insurance job, accident with a new car, bringing an old car to a body shop and how it sits there forever. So we brought the car to the body shop and it sat for a week, didn't even move. Then they moved it into the shop where it sat for 2 more weeks, didn't even get touched. And then finally some work started to get done on it. They addressed all the rust, all the peeling clear coat that these things are known for in the late 80s, early 90s. This is an 89, so it had all that peeling clear coat. They addressed everything, primed it, sealed it, and put a coat of base coat black. This is a base clear. This is just the base on it. There is no clear. And we made some videos with all that fun stuff. The big dummy didn't have his truck for, I guess it was about 8 or 9 weeks during the whole virus thing. It was sitting at the body shop and with no end in sight. And then finally we got a phone call one day, it's done. So what we did today was we took off the door handles, the door locks, the mirrors, washed it all down really good, and now we're going to do the removal of the soft top, and we're going to get it ready to bring it tonight to Axel's East, where we're going to have the guy that does the wrap for us come in, and he's going to wrap this thing. So I don't know if those other 2 videos ever made it up on YouTube because we recorded them and downloaded them to our old computer where the hard drive crashed, and we know that most of the files in that hard drive were recovered. A guy out in the Midwest did it. He's shipping me a drive that has all my old files on it. I don't know if they're going to be in any kind of order. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to find them. But if I can, I'll put it all in a playlist, and we'll have all the videos for getting the body done on this truck. But so far, so good. We got a straight body for the most part. I mean, it's not show quality body work, but we're putting a wrap on it that has no gloss. So it's going to look good. And now we just got to get the soft top off so that when the guy does the wrap, he can go over the sides and in the top, and then we put the new bracketry down for the soft top on top of the wrap. This way we don't have a peel point there. So we're going to start taking the soft top off, and we'll be back with you in a minute. All right, so we got the soft top off. We're clean on the rails so we can go with the wrap over the rails. Everything's good to go. The truck is cleaned up. All the weather stripping is out in the doors, so we can get the wrap around, and it's going to go tonight for the wrap. Hopefully it's done a couple hours each night this week, and we're hoping to have it back next weekend. We'll see. You know how that goes. But that's it for this episode of the Big Dummy's K5 doing the exterior body redo, and we'll see you on the next video.